Once in a while, we all feel that urge from within to go somewhere in the wild, explore, take that hidden route, challenge yourself, test your limits, and come back accomplished. Get that sense of achievement.
Good morning, people. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Snowy Mountains. We are staying in the Threadbow Village Valley, and here's the beautiful Threadbow River going. I want to go on the Mount Kosciuszko Summit Walk today, which is the tallest mountain peak of Australia, around 2,200 meters tall. So yesterday we started from Sydney and we came to Snowy Mountains. It's an Easter weekend, so everything was almost full. So we had to actually book our tickets before a few weeks, and we got a room for which was not for two people, it was more than two people. But yeah, because we actually wanted to come here, so we decided to take that up. The walk we are going to do here is the 13-kilometer Mount Kosciuszko trek. So we are going to take the express chairlift from the Terminal Valley, and then we are going to go upwards. It will cover a few kilometers of distance for us, and then we're going to trek the rest of the distance and then come all the way down after seeing the sunset. So this is my plan for the day.
The pathways built here on the mountains are actually used for mountain biking during summers and skiing during winters. The summit trek offers the glorious views of Australia's highest mountains, historic huts, weathered snow gums, and rock formations on the way, along with amazing displays of wildflowers including marsh marigolds, silver snow daisies, mountain roses, and buttercups in early summers. The chairlifts are operational from 9 to 4 during the day, so if you plan to use the chairlifts while hiking up and coming down, the real trek is only 13 kilometers round trip. But as we are planning to come down after the sunset and chairlifts are probably going to be closed by then, we will be covering a distance of 17 kilometers.
So we have just started our trek. It's like 6 kilometers from here to reach the top of the mountain, and the way is very beautiful. There is a beautiful stream going on from here, and I'm going to drink water from it.
So we have reached halfway. After starting the trek, we have been walking for around like 1 hour now. Actually, it's just the altitude. There are no steps. Actually, it's a flat way that you have to walk on. It's quite steep. You know, the height keeps on increasing. So we have just taken a break on the way, and the view here is beautiful, absorbing in the valley and taking it slowly. And this one is going to be a bit challenging for us, but we'll go through it. It's going to make us better and stronger. And also the rock formations here are quite beautiful. So in the winters, if there's snow all around, a bedsheet of snow all over the mountain. So I'm sure it would be more beautiful during the winters, but right now also it's just stunning to do that. And the sun is like really direct right now, but because it's quite cold, so we're not actually feeling the sun. Going good so far. Let's move further. So the views are getting more clear as we are heading up. I can still see the way going quite far away and leading to nowhere. It just goes somewhere in the mountains. I can't yet see the top of the mountain where we have to reach. 360-degree view of the mountains. It has started getting a bit more windy, so I've changed my cap. I took out this woolen one so that my ears don't feel that much wind, and it's quite cool, but as far as we have direct sunlight, it's quite good. So after the sunset, I think the temperatures are going to soar down to something below 10, maybe around 5, 6 something. So we have taken a break on the way, and I think a little bit more to go because the people going here are telling we are just a little bit away from the final summit point. So I hope this could be our last break, and then finally we reach the top of the mountain, the Mount Kosciuszko summit point. It's quite cool. We are just taking some rest in shadow of this huge rock. You see this rock? So it's only 2 kilometers now. Yay! We no more have the iron barrel to walk, but we have the gravel road. There are kind of rubber divisions. So as we are reaching higher, it's like the mountains are unveiling the best of their views. It is like paying off to reach here. So we are about to reach the summit point in few minutes. I can see the summit point in front of me, and I can see some people standing over there. Excited. We have already walked so much. I think it should be a few hundred meters now. We are going to see the most beautiful sunset ever. So I'm ending this video with this beautiful sunset view. I hope you've liked this sunset and this trek as well. Please make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And now we are going to begin the journey down towards the base, maybe around 10 kilometers, and it's going to be a night trek, so it's going to be exciting. See you in the next video. Bye.
So we are going back, and it's very beautiful sky.
We can see Milky Way. We'll reach like around 11, I think 10 or 11.
12. How's your night trek?
Full with stars and galaxy. I saw a shooting star.
Here is Threadbow village, and
And we are here at the height of 1300 meters. And yeah, finally found our way to go down. We will take another.